The gift isn't a thing. The gift is a promise and an experience from her superhero. Here's a blueprint for your video. Hey, my amazing girl. Merry Christmas. I've been thinking so much about your big wish this year. That awesome smartwatch. I want to talk to you about it. The truth is, right now, getting that watch is really hard for me. And I need you to know, it has nothing to do with how much you deserve it. You deserve every star in the sky. Sometimes, even daddies have limits. And that's one of the hardest things to explain when you love someone so much. It actually breaks my heart a little that I can't just make it appear for you. So, I got you a different kind of watch. This one isn't made of tech and glass. It's something you can make. Something you can create. We can build forts, watch movies, go for hikes, you choose the adventure. Memory Maker Watch. One special outing, just us. The zoo, a museum, a picnic by the lake. We'll take so many pictures, heart to heart. Anytime you need to talk about anything, you activate the brands and call me. I will stop, listen, and we'll figure it out together. No distractions. Future Watch. This is a promise. We are going to save up for it together. You can help with little jobs, and we'll watch our watch fund grow. It might not be today, but it will be. I want you to remember this. You are loved. You are valued. You are my greatest treasure. This Christmas, I'm giving you my time, my heart, and my promise to always be there. That's a gift that never runs out of battery. I love you, my sweet girl. Now, come give your old dad the biggest hug. Hug. Daddy's love. The memory of Daddy's love and honesty, that lasts forever. You've got this. She's a lucky daughter to have a dad who cares this much.